Guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is another video for you, and on this video you can also make at least $1.8, minimum of $1.8 every day. This is just like the other platform that I've been sharing with you, and many people like this platform, so that is why I keep on sharing this type of platform with you every time. So if you are still among those people that are very interested in this type of platform, this is it here again. All you need to do is to just join it, then you go with any of the investment plan you want to go for with on this platform. So you can see the investment levels here. They have VIP 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and they have up to 9. You can see it here, 8 9. So depend on the one you want to go for. From VIP 1 you can deposit from at least $12 to $59 on it. $12 to $59. If you like, you can deposit $13, $13.2. It will earn you what it's supposed to earn for you, because you are going to earn 50% on it daily. So on 50%, you are going to be earning on the $12 is $1.80. 50% of the $59 is $8.85. So this is just how the platform works. But and if you want to go for the VIP 2, you can also go for it. This is it here. The minimum for the VIP 2 is $60 to $179. This one can earn you up to $9.60 to $28.64. Like that, depend on the one you want to go for. I have already done this. I've already recharged, and I'm a VIP 1 right here. You can see it here. I'm a VIP 1. So right now in this video, I'm going to show you how to recharge, and also how to earn your first income immediately, and how to withdraw. I will show you everything. So how to recharge, this is what you are going to do. Click recharge here. It's either you click on it here, or you tap on your account and click on recharge here. Remember, what we want to recharge is USDT. It's either you go with USDT TRC20 or BEP20. So I'm also going to show you the advantages of this BEP20 and the TRC20 while we are withdrawing. So the minimum you can recharge is $12. So if you want to go with if it is USDT TRC20 you want to use, or BEP20, all you need to do is to tap here. This is for USDT TRC20 and this one is for BEP20. Tap on it. This for BEP20 wallet address. Just click on it. If it is USDT TRC20, remember USDT is USDT. If you deposit USDT TRC20 and you want to withdraw with BEP20 USDT, it is you can do it. It's possible. If you deposit with USDT BEP20 and you want to withdraw with TRC20, it's possible. So USDT or USDT is USDT on the crypto exchanges. It's just that the network is different, but all USDT is USDT, but their wallet address is different because of their network. So right now, for instance, let's say you want to deposit with USDT TRC20, tap on it, and this is the wallet you have to send the money to. Click on it, and the minimum you can send it to this wallet is $12. That is 12 USDT. 12 USDT. That is the minimum you can send. So after you send the money into it, immediately your money appears here as my own here on recharge balance. It will automatically upgrade your levels to the VIP you are, which is I'm in VIP 1 right now. So after that, you are in VIP 1 already, or the VIP 2 you are. So the next thing to do is to click on quantify here. When you click on quantify, the next thing to do is to just tap here. You don't have to do much. Just tap here. Just tap there. Just tap start quantification. That is all, and you will earn your first revenue here. So I'm going to click on it now, I have clicked on it. You can see the quantification order has completed, and if I refresh this page, you are going to see how much I've earned right now here. So I refresh it right now, you can see it right now. I have earned $1.80. That is it, $1.80. If you want to withdraw, let's see something based on the USDT TRC20 and the BEP20. So let's see. I think we should withdraw to use USDT BEP20 to withdraw. So I'm going to use BEP20 to withdraw because I think they only use BEP20 here. Let's see. So you can only use BEP20 to withdraw. So all USDT is USDT. Just go to your crypto exchange or your any of your other wallet and copy out your BEP20 wallet address. If you are on using exchanges like Binance, Bybit, etc., just click on USDT. They will ask you to select the network, select BEP20 or BNB. So that is just it. Copy the wallet address and use it here. So I will go to my Trust wallet right now and copy out my BEP20 wallet address. So let me show it to you how to do that. So this is me on my Trust wallet, and you can see this USDT BNB smart chain, which is also BEP20. If I click on it, you are going to see it up here, which is BEP20 USDT BNB smart chain. It's also the same thing. So click on receive. If you want to use any of your other crypto wallets, you can just go there and do as I told you. Click on USDT, then select the network and select BEP20. That's just all. So now click on copy. If you don't have BNB on your wallet, this is where you are going to get it. Just come down here, click on manage crypto and search for USDT. Then from here you can find the BEP20 USDT, which is this first one. I on my own here just toggle this button here to turn it off. So that is just it. So now I will go to the site and make my first withdrawal on the site. Now let's go. I am here now. Now click on select withdrawal method, which is this one right here. Select it and let us bind our wallet address. Click on add wallet. So after you click on add wallet, click on add to. Now paste the wallet address to copy, paste it here, then input your transaction password here, then click on submit. I have input my transaction password. Remember, your transaction password is that third password you create when you are creating your account on this site. Now click on submit to bind your wallet address. As you can see, I have bind my wallet address. This is it here. Now I will make the first withdrawal. To make your withdrawal, click on withdraw. Your wallet address is already there. Now click on select withdrawal method. Select your wallet. Now input the amount you want to withdraw, which is $1.80. 1.80. You can just write 1.8 like this or 80. That is still the same thing. Now enter your payment password, then click on confirm withdrawal. So that is it. Now click on confirm withdrawal. As you can see, I have made the withdrawal right now. You can see total revenue. All withdrawal will show up here. Let me refresh it. When it goes, it will show up there. You can see all withdrawals are show up here. So that means the money has shown in my wallet. If I click on details here, you are going to see it that it shows apply withdrawal. That means it has been successful. It's successful already. So let me go to the wallet and show it to you there. You can see the notification. So here, this is me in the wallet here. Now this is the money. You can see it here. This is it. You can see it. That is just it. So let me just make a screenshot of this. Oh. So that is it. You can see the platform is paying. So if you are interested, don't hesitate to join them, quickly join them, start making money. It was just launched today. This is the first day right now, so join and start making money. The name is YZC, AIVIP YZC. So that is just it. That is everything you need to know about the platform. So guys, thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Goodbye for now.